All right, good morning. Welcome to another video of some live trading. I am just scanning the two pairs I would ever consider trading. This would be something I'd take in my previous days, which it could. Well, obviously any trade can play out. That's a clean set of tweezers off of a level. However, I'm really trying to go short when price is above yesterday's high. So, I mean, we'll see. This is what I would normally, like, before the last 6 months, this is what I would take. This thing's so bright. Yeah, so anyways, we'll see for fun if that still works. But definitely not the edge I'm trading these days. So, oops. Yeah, so rock on. NAS was looking like it was giving me some signs of reversal. So I'm going to have my tool ready to go here. Trade short. But yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see. 2 minutes till the 5-minute closes here. Obviously, NAS is showing short signs, but it's just kind of going without us. Let's see how this closes. Let's see what. Oh, that could be good too. If this closes with a John Wick candle, big top wick, that'll be the trade. I primarily stick with US 30. But if NAS wants to give me something and US 30 doesn't, we'll go with that. Oh, I gotta check on yesterday's trade, eh? Yesterday's trade was awesome. We'll review it after this because we could have a signal coming up here. All right, 1 minute till the candle closure. This is a tough one. I do favor US 30, but that looks pretty good on NAS. They're above yesterday's high. Not interested in gold right now. I love the top wicks. Oh, look at that. 20 seconds left though. Look how it's closing. I'm waiting for the close on this. I want to get in on the pullback. Don't get me wrong. But let's see how this closes. If that has a huge bottom wick. Yeah, it's not confident. That's not confident. And here's what is a developing skill as a trader. This, I'm seeing this. I think it's going to go short, okay? I think the stock is going to go down. You have it on record right now. However, if I take that looking setup the next 100 times, is it a winning strategy? That's what you're trying to answer. Look at the set of tweezers might play out that I was talking about. Okay, that's what we're trying to figure out. So maybe in another year, I'll see this enough times and go, yeah, that's worth taking. But that bottom wick is buying pressure, right? I don't want to be in on that. It could go down. It could. But I can say that about everything. So we want to take the ones that we feel confident that we've seen this edge play out. Okay, let's see if we're hitting any levels here. So what are we coming up to? We are coming up to a previous day. The low is not a big deal. But we are interesting. Yeah, we are trying to sweep this. So there is a level there. Yeah, there's levels here. Definitely got stuff going on here. That's going on. Got this going on. All this untappedness. Yeah, so if I see some price action happening around here, that just helps me trust it, you know? Okay, forgot. Let's review yesterday's trade quick. So, had a nice 1% winner. Reminder that 2 grand on a 200K account. Once I get there. So here's what it was. We were above yesterday's high. Okay, above yesterday's daily high. We took that as an oversold. There's some supply up there. This is the first trigger candle. We got a warning that we might slow down. Then I was actually worried this candle was too big. I almost didn't get in. I was fearful. That was 150 pips. That's a lot for the US 30, but I got in anyways, and you could have had a 1.5. I'm just a 1-to-1 trader right now, so amazing. 1-to-1 done. So that is, and I'm reviewing that because if you're new to my channel, I don't watch the trade. So when I get into a trade here, I'm done. Like, I'm done for the day. I don't look. I'll watch the result. Yeah, if I was pre-market trading, that's a nice engulf off yesterday's previous day high. So you'd be break even at the very least if you ended up taking this trade. Yeah, we will see. We will see, folks. This is definitely my trade when I get a nice reaction off the US 30 here. Make sure we're lined up on MT4. I'm not primarily a 1-minute trader, but there is something I've seen too many times, and it bothers me that I miss them all the time. And it's not happening right now. It's when I get like a triple wick kind of look on the, well, yeah, you could say you got something going on there, but it's not quite what I mean. So yeah, we're not in this, thank goodness. We're waiting for the 5-minute. Look at that. Look at that manipulation. I don't know what it's manipulation and just the market. Pulls back and then boom, like right away. Okay, we just said 5-minute closures. I gotta go make a coffee. I'll be right back. I will be right back, muchachos. No, the way this US 30 is rejecting, I'm gonna hang on just 1 sec. Yeah, I'm jumping in. It's a little early. It is a little early to be getting in, but I'm doing it. So here's the thought process. I just really like the look of that 1-minute candle. However, that same candle appeared here and faked you out, but you kind of got, you know, a small rejection here, pushes up, rejection here, pushes up again, kind of faking people out, and then closes back down. I like this. It's at levels. It's above yesterday's high. We had a market cipher cross here. I like all of this. Okay. Now, as a bonus, I want the 5-minute to close. And I'll tell you something. I do a bad job when I take a trade on the 1-minute for some reason. I watch the trade, which is not good. So I gotta shut this down. This is the trade that we're gonna review tomorrow. Okay. May win, may lose. Let's close her down. Let's just go to another. Yeah. Okay. So that's not what we took. I'm minimizing my MT4. I minimize it because the auto break even tool, you got to keep MT4 open. So anyways, that's a short stream, and thanks for trading with us this morning or watching this video. I've been doing live streams for a long time, so I keep thinking this is a live stream, but now I'm just trying to record the video and do some edits, make it a little more enjoyable to watch, and right on. Okay, see you later.